This is my first time making a video for YouTube, so please don't judge me too badly. I wanted to tell you today that Disney Plus is now available. And if you have Verizon with an unlimited data plan, you get it free for a year. So make sure you take advantage of this. After the year, you will have to sign up for a $6.99 a month or cancel. But I think it's very much worth the ridiculous amount of content they've got in there. Make sure you check it out. As you just saw, there's a lot of channels, a lot of programs that Disney has to offer. It's huge, and there's so many exciting things to look at and watch. I just started watching the Drain the Ocean program, and it's really interesting. So if you like this video, subscribe, like them all, and come back and see some more. Thank you.